Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a Forza Horizon games, Forza Horizon 5 for example, failed or load failed, an error occur while you try to load your save data, for example, and some of a error code that you encounter, especially if you install the piracy one. Of course, there are some you will often encounter error if you install the piracy version. So I recommend you to purchase from Steam or purchase from official portal, the original one, in order to minimize the bug, in order to minimize the error. So here, in order to fix this error, there are some method out there, but I'm usually before you play the game, make sure you can open your task manager and try to close like unnecessary background running background, like there is some software that you don't know what is that, but be careful. For example, phone link, I don't need phone link right now. You can end task. Make sure you know what you close. So here, and also you can try to right click your game icon, for example, and click properties. This is, for example, this is the Hitman. So you can click compatibility and try to run this program as administrator, and also you can click run this program in compatibility mode for your system. So maximum is Windows 8. If you use Windows 10 or Windows 11, just let this be untick. So this is not necessary, but this is a must. Run this program as administrator. And also you can try to update your Windows. You can click Windows Update under the settings and check for updates. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So please comment below. See you in the next video.